Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to fix Chrome browser working very slow. If Google Chrome is running very slow, it can affect browsing speed and overall productivity. This issue is often caused by too many extensions, cache data, or system resource usage. This guide will walk you through effective steps to fix the Chrome running slow on your PC. To begin, open the Google Chrome on your computer. Click the three dots menu in the top right corner. Then choose Settings. Go to the Privacy and Security. Click Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cached Images and Files, and other data if needed. Click the Delete on this device. Go back to Settings and choose Extensions. Toggle off, disable, or remove unused extensions. Press Shift plus Escape to open the Chrome Task Manager. End tasks using high CPU or memory. Go to Settings, System, then turn off Continue running background apps when Chrome is closed. Close and reopen Chrome to restart or start your computer to apply changes. Tip: keeping Chrome updated ensures better performance and security fixes. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.